Want to turn ordinary photos into AI-powered videos with just a few taps? IRMO Video AI lets you create stunning animations from romantic scenes to Lego transformations for free. Here's exactly how to use it. Step 1. Download and open the app. First, download IRMO AI from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It's completely free to start. Once installed, open the app and tap Get Started at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Choose your style. You'll see options like people kissing, hugging, or other themes. Pick one, or explore AI Studio for presets like 80s retro, cartoons, or Lego figures. You can use sample photos to test the app. Upload your own photos or videos from your gallery or the internet. Step 3. Generate and customize. No need to buy the premium plan, just watch a short ad to unlock transformations. You can do this repeatedly. The AI will process your image in seconds. Tap See Results to preview your video. Don't love it? Adjust filters or try another preset. Save or share your creations directly from the app. Check this out. The possibilities are endless. Ready to try it? Download IRMO AI and start creating. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.